Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to take you all on a tour of Publika shopping mall, a vibrant destination in Solaris Dutamas, Mont Kiara, KL. Let's dive in and explore what makes this place so special. As we enter the mall and head towards the parking, you can see the variety of restaurants, kindergartens, dental clinics and shops that surround this area. As soon as you step in, you are greeted by a distinctive atmosphere that sets Publika apart from other malls in KL. It's not just about shopping, it's about experiencing the space, the art and the community vibe. Publika is home to a diverse range of stores, from high-end fashion boutiques to local designer brands. Whether you're looking for the latest trends, there's something here for everyone. One of the most distinctive features of Publika is its celebration of art. As you wander through the mall, you will find art installations, galleries, and even pop-up exhibitions that add a creative flair to your shopping experience.
Welcome again. Thank you.
Publika proudly supports independent stores and specialty shops, offering the perfect place to discover unique items, artisanal products, and one-of-a-kind gifts.
Oh, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Step outside and you'll find more to explore. Publica's outdoor areas offer a refreshing escape with a park for kids and outdoor art displays that make for a perfect family day out. This place is more than just a mall. It's a community space. You will often find events, workshops, and performances happening in its open areas, making every visit a new experience. Well, when it's time to take a break, Publica offers a vast selection of dining options. From cozy cafes and casual eateries to fine dining restaurants, you will find a culinary journey waiting for you around every corner here.
Desert or coffee. Fuck.
नहीं खाएगी चलो
ये कुछ खाएगी ये देखो स्नैक्स
ये लाइव प्लांट है लाइव थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू सो मच
Whether you are here to shop, dine, explore, or just soak in the creative energy, Publika Shopping Mall is a destination that invites you to return again and again. It's more than just a mall, it's a community experience. Well, that's all for the video, guys. Thanks for joining me on this tour of Publika. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more explorations around Kuala Lumpur and beyond. Till then, look after yourself and I'll see you in the next one.